Hello everyone and welcome. It's Shanna. I'm part of the creative design crew for Kat Scrappiness, and today I'm here to introduce the new release of embellishments, and we've got a lot of them. So I'm excited to show them to you. So these dots, oh my gosh, these are so much fun for your shaker cards. We've got the Carnation pink dots. We've got the Passion pink dots, and these make such a great noise for your shakers. We've got classic red, orange paradise dots, yellow sunshine dots, garden green dots. We've got aqua sky dots. We've got the bluebell dots, milk chocolate dots. We've got dark chocolate dots. These are great for your coffee shakers. And we've got silver bullet dots. How fun are those? And then we've got white linen dots. And then we have magical Mickey Mouse dots. So if you like Mickey, making Mickey cards, this could be so much fun to use with your Mickey cards. We've got Cupid love dots, great for Valentine's and other seasonal times that you could use them. And now we're going to move into the shaker tinsels. Now we've got the baby pink shaker tinsel. And these are just, let me just open them up and take one out and kind of show you what these look like. These are a little different, and they're just real lightweight and very fine little shakers, and they'll add just a lot of sparkle and color because they reflect the color, the different colors on it. So baby pink shaker tinsel. We've got pink shaker tinsel. We've got metallic hot pink shaker tinsel. We've got metallic red shaker tinsel. We've got orange shaker tinsel, yellow shaker tinsel, metallic green shaker tinsel. This would be great for St. Patty's Day. I mean, it's, you know, right around the corner. I think it's 2 days away, and that would be a great one for it. And then you've got the teal green shaker tinsel, the Teal shaker tinsel. You have the royal blue shaker tinsel. This is a good rich color, love it. And then sky blue shaker tinsel. This is really pretty. And we've got winter Wonderland shaker tinsel. So this would be fun for your winter cards when you do your shakers. And then of course purple shaker tinsels, which those are really fun. And then gold. So if you're wanting to do kind of a birthday party card or something like that, I think those would be fun. Or a celebratory, like an anniversary or wedding or something like that, that could be really fun. We've got sparkling clear shaker tinsel. So if you just want to add a little shine and do something clear, you can use that. And then we have metallic magenta shaker tinsel. And then we move into the onyx black, the white shaker tinsel. And then I'm going to move into some different ones. I've got these musical melodies sequins mix, and I love this. I am part of a music team, and I could see this would be a great mix for my team members to make a card with. So this is fun, white and black, and we've got the musical notes, and just super fun. Really like this one. And then we have Pooh Bear sprinkles. Now this would have been great. I went to a baby shower recently that had a Pooh Bear theme. And so Pooh Bear sprinkles would have been really fun for that. And then again, we're at St. Patty's time of year. So the Shake Your Shamrocks sprinkle mix would be just fabulous. You've got little hats, rainbows, little shamrocks, and bigger shamrocks. Then you've got some gold pieces, and this is really fun. Let's go ahead and shake some of these out so we can kind of get a full view of all of the pieces that are in there. So these are some, you got the rainbows. You've even got a little beer mug with a little head on it, a little hat, and these are just adorable. Let's see if I've missed anything. What else do we have? Yeah, that's pretty, and then you've got your gold mix. Those are super fun. And even if you were just doing a rainbow card that wasn't St. Patty's Day time of year, you could very easily pick those out and use those, or even your beer mugs. So that could be really fun. And I'm sprinkling some out, making a little bit of a mess with them. And then our next one, going along with the whole Pooh theme, Pooh Bear theme, we've got Eeyore. So we've got Eeyore sprinkles, and those are so cute. All the little Eeyores in there. Super cute. And then lastly, we've got the Sherbet Heart sprinkles, and these are just all the different colors on there. So these are all of the new sprinkle mix, part of the new release, and all the links to the materials will be listed in the description box. We'll do an embellishment link so that you can check it out, and you can just peruse all of the embellishment links and check them out. But if you're into making shaker cards, these dots are super fun, along with these pink or these shaker tinsels. So you could kind of mix these for some different texture and then add the dots for the noise. I think the noise adds a lot to a shaker card. So I just encourage you to check them out, shop our link, and look at all the different varieties that we have. These are so much fun, and Kat Scrappiness really has a great selection of embellishments. So I encourage you to check out the shop. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.